Today we are going to start the fourth chapter of our grammar, and in this chapter we are going to learn the use of apostrophe and s, where we should and where we should not put apostrophe s. Okay, so if we want to show that something belongs to someone or someone is a member of something, then we will use apostrophe s. Or we can say if singular noun owns or is a member of a thing or something, we use apostrophe s. For example, cats, girls, Johns. So for example, if we want to show that the milk belongs to a cat, so what we can say, this is cat's milk, right? If we want to show something belongs to a girl, what we can say, this is girl's bag. If you want to show that something belongs to John, what we can say, this is John's bicycle. Understood? Okay, now we will also know that where we should never use apostrophe s. We should never use apostrophe s with possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? It's, yours, hers, theirs. Look here, s is there, but we should never put apostrophe before s here. Okay? And look at some more examples of this. The girl's bag was lost. Here what we are talking about, the bag of a girl which was lost. So here we have put it apostrophe s with the girl's name. Like, girl is a singular pronoun and we have put it s because it is talking about the bag of her. Okay, so this book belongs to Aruna. This is Aruna's book. So here what we want to say, we want to show that this book is of Aruna. So we can also say that this is Aruna's book. Okay, but always remember that just adding s to a naming word also means more than one. So that is why using the apostrophe is so important, just to clear that here when if we are not going to put apostrophe and just put s to a noun, what will happen? It will show the plural form of the noun, the plural form of that noun in which we will put s. So apostrophe is important to show that we are not changing the form of a noun, but we are putting apostrophe s to show that that something belongs to the noun to which we are putting apostrophe s. I hope I made you clear. Now we are going to do exercises. Here in this exercise, what we have to do, match the correct answers in the kites and the balloons. You could make the lines look like strings. So we have to add the balloons or kites with each other by the strings. So here what is written? The glasses of the doctor. So we will match it with the balloon in which it will be written that this the doctor's glasses, cause in this it is talking about glasses of a doctor, glasses of the doctor. So we will look after that here, the doctor's glasses. So either we can see the sentence in this way or in that way. So we will put a string attached to it. We will attach this balloon to this with a pencil. So that's how you have to do the whole exercise. Do it yourself.